Let's go run some errands. Here's the fit. The sock shoe combo will make sense later. Okay, we secured the bag on the first errand. Hoka Clifton 9s. Yeah. I was between these and the Bondi 8s, but they didn't have my size in the ones I wanted, and these ones were cheaper, so it kind of worked out. All right, I got my dog's food. Now we're gonna go to the gym, and I'm gonna have to put these shoes on in the parking lot. I'll probably do it just when I get there. Yeah. Hopefully they don't kill my feet. I know sometimes you have to break them in, so we'll see. Back home now, showered, in my comfy clothes. Hopefully gonna have a chill rest of the night. Maybe watch some spooky movies. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It's Friday. Another day off for me. I actually don't go back into work until Monday. But today we went to Starbucks. We went on our walk this morning. I'm about to go on a run. And yeah, it's gonna be a chill day. Gonna try to be somewhat productive. Yesterday I did the laundry, so today I think I'm gonna try to clean the floors. Not fun, but needs to be done. Hello again, it is 6:45. I went on a run, cleaned the floors, finished my audiobook I was listening to, The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue. Definitely recommend. And now we're going to dinner with some friends. Very excited because I'm very hungry, so bye. Happy Saturday. As you saw, we went to the dog beach. Rue had a great time. We did get absolutely annihilated by mosquitoes in the first part, but once that was over, it was very fun. It's time now to go watch the Florida State game. And yeah, just gonna hang out with friends the rest of the day. Can I please do this? Go, Rue. We have a combination of school books, random video game stuff, random office supplies, regular books, a hodgepodge of many things. I'm gonna fill this desk up with stuff that makes sense to go into a desk, and then find homes for everything else. Okay, we made some good progress. The game is about to kick off, so we're gonna have to put a pause on it for now, but we're going in the right direction.